Want to track livestock prices or crypto trends right from your Notion workspace? In this video, I'll show you how to embed a TradingView widget into Notion in just a few simple steps. It's fast, easy, and super useful for traders or finance lovers. So, let's get started. First, go to a website called Option. Once you're there, scroll down and copy the chart link provided. Open your Notion page where you want to embed the chart. Type /embed, then select the embed option from the menu. Paste the copy link into the embed box and hit embed link. Your TradingView chart will now appear live on your Notion page. And that's it. Super quick, super useful, especially if you're tracking the market. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.